Yeah, this is me by my computer almost every day, typing in random calls to create something to solve a real problem. And you might be wondering how I got myself into this. But the real question is, what is the problem and what am I creating to solve it? If you live in Ghana, you'll know that there is a very much problem in finding house to rent, especially when you are being evicted from your previous house. You know that it is very crucial, it's very hard for you to get a house to rent. And also in Ghana, my dad still is a real estate agent, and they basically show people houses to rent, like all real estate people do, to buy houses and stuff. And I saw this problem that there are a lot of people looking for houses, and most of the time the house is not even available, or they are not getting some blah 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 and a lot. So I took this load upon myself that what if I built something to help people to find houses for rent. So basically connecting potential people that are ready to rent a house to property owners and other real estate agents. So that is what came about for me to solve a problem in Ghana, and that problem is house rental in Ghana. So if you're here, I'm creating a software to help people rent a house in Ghana for free, and I'm doing all this in public with you. But this seems so easy to talk or see. I know it's very actually not that easy to implement or come about or bring it out to the public to actually benefit from it. And already there is a problem that I'm facing, but I'm doing this with the skill I have as a software developer, and with you that is watching right now. We are building this together and putting it all in public. I'm going to document every step that I take in it and upload it here for you to know how it's going, where it's going. To join this my journey is very easy. Just hit the subscribe button, be part of me as I build. Share it to your friends, families, like this video, and you can also follow me on my social handles on the screen. And yeah, this is the journey to solve a real life problem in Ghana. This is house rental in Ghana. My name is Johnny, and I'm